Have you heard about singing bowls and wondered if you should give them a try? In this video, I'm going to talk about what they are, how they work, and who I recommend should use them. Make sure you stick around. It's Lockie here from Lamaho. We help people overcome stress and anxiety with our straightforward approach to meditation. So what are singing bowls? Basically, in a nutshell, they're metal or crystal bowls made with the intention of healing the vibrational energy of our bodies. And how do they work? So when the friction is created by running the striker around the rim of the bowl, it creates vibrations. It's believed that these vibrations are able to connect with our own to basically heal and balance them out. Let me give you a little demonstration. Dr. Mitchell Gaynor, an oncologist and professor at Weill Cornell Medical College, found in his research that sound therapy gave patients lower stress hormones and stronger immune systems. Basically, the tones of the singing bowls helps the people using them to feel good and relax. So who should use singing bowls? If you've been meditating at all, any period of time, and you've been struggling to focus, you should definitely give them a try. They've been very effective, as mentioned, for myself and for many other people. Scientific studies have shown how effective they are. So give them a try, and at worst, if you don't like using them, they look beautiful as decoration. Also, if you're struggling from stress and anxiety, they're incredibly effective with basically just connecting with those vibrations, as I've mentioned, and just helping to calm yourself. I'm going to leave a link in the description below which takes you to a guide which goes in deep into Tibetan singing bowls and how they can enhance your meditation practice. So definitely check that out if that sounds interesting to you. It's Lockie here from Lamaho, always an absolute pleasure. And if you've got any value from this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and I look forward to connecting with you soon.